RepairSmith has been reinventing and reimagining the fleet vehicle repair experience with techs who come to you in specialty vehicles that are optimized for fleet maintenance.
We are RepairSmith, and we're the most convenient form of car repair because we come to you. So we service both consumers and fleets, and we have an owned and operated fleet of vans and vehicles that go out to customer locations and can do 90+% of jobs on site. We also have a back-end network where we can take the vehicles and bring them back when they're done, so the customer never has to leave their location. We've trying to reinvent the experience from the ground up and modernize the car repair experience. We started about a year ago, a little over a year ago, with consumers, and we wanted to focus initially on consumers because it allowed us to scale up our operations one customer at a time, right? And we felt that we needed to be really good at what we do when we started to service fleets and larger customers. We've been doing fleets for about 9 months now, and we serve from the smallest commercial fleets up to, frankly, some of the largest fleets in the country at various locations. And, fleets lose about $500 a day on average when a vehicle's in the shop. They lose that vehicle from their operations. And so we come to the fleet, we handle it all on site, and we have specialty vehicles that are optimized for fleet work. Heavy on maintenance, right? Tires, oil, we have the large volume skids in our larger trucks, and we can handle those maintenance items. We also, our entire workforce is our employees. And so, for us, quality was critical from day one. We're backed by Mercedes, and we have that European luxury brand DNA of high quality of repair and service.